Red, red wine go through my days. So this is really like halfway drunk. Let's see.
Without beer,
Yeah.
but with beer.
To the raads of alcohol.
Wise word from a wise man.
So let's see in like 10 minutes if
you're lucky.
yeah. We're just playing some poker here.
If you wonder, this is why I did win Fasil and Frode. Just if you...
When you see this, you know what's going. You know what happened.
The drunkest man in Slemmestad is back. Okay,
A lot of shoes.
the shoes. In Norway, we use shoes.
As floors.
In Norway, it gets so cold you have to wear a bottle sometimes. And maybe a papeske. I don't know what it is.
Cardboard box.
Yeah, sometimes. And if it is really cold, you must surf on this, on the snow. In Norway, we got these special trees. Smoke weed. This is actually weed trees.
Yeah, they just look different in Norway.
Yeah, they look different, and you know it's weed if they make a sound. So you have to lay them down like this, and then it's weed. Yeah. So that's a weed tree, and this is bad weed. That's bad weed.
You know what it is, boy. You know what it is.
You know what it is. I'm like a Norwegian Asian guy when I'm drunk. Yeah, I'm like Bruce Lee on cocaine when I'm drunk.
That made just like 0 sense.
Yeah, but that's me.
I know.
Slemmestad, the capital of Norway, is as big as Mexico.
Yeah.
Just double the size of Mexico. And we're just like trying to keep the peace.
Yeah.
But it's really hard.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Yeah.
No.
I have a really bright idea. Will you follow me?
Okay, I don't think it's very bright, but okay.
It's a bright idea. I just remembered, you know Fasil, the blackest guy in Slemmestad. He hasn't been Simbad the right way. We have to Simbad him. So we take this is the Simba.
Yeah, Jeff will call him over here.
Samma vidare!
He's free! He's now a man. Hey Mats. Star of last week's episode.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
This is the heaviest battery in the capital of Norway.
You have to make all that noise, bro. Morgan?
Yes! I am holding the car,
Yes.
the fort.
And well, you wiped up all the blood, I can see.
Yeah, of course.
Yes, he's half
What
gone.
up? What up, dog?
Yeah. What up, dog?
Yeah,
Have you seen mine scars?
battle scars. Oh,
Battle
shit.
scars.
Damn.
A fucking wild brown polar bear come over to me and say, "Hello, motherfucker," and stab me in the back. And suddenly my bleed here, my heart is popping out. I was crazy, man.
I can see, and also he ripped your shirt.
Yeah, he fucking ripped my shirt. This guy fucking ripped my shirt and stabbed me in the ass. And then suddenly I wake up this morning, fucking big scar, man.
Yeah, fucking polar bears, man.
Yeah, the doctor was very good. He's stitched me up and take like laser, so everything went into the future and fucking went good.
So we're on our way to the most shittiest town in the world again. And where's that?
You know what town it is.
Drammen. Over there somewhere. behind those bushes. So, Slemmestad Fight Club just never ends.
Nå knekker du nese til!
Alex there in the pink shorts, he broke Bobby, the fastest man in Slemmestad's nose.
Yeah, it was an accident.
Yeah, that's what they all say.
Or I will kill him. Or what they say in English.
Did you do some stunting tonight?
Yeah, sure.
Still got scars from the last time?
Wanna give me some stage? You gotta give me a stage.
Stage.
I'm gonna go for the
There's the
stage.
stage.
I need a big stage with lots of public.
Yeah, lots of people.
Yeah, lots of people.
Yeah. I want that car.
I want to die that car.
You want to die that car?
I want to die in that car now.
Let's go and die in it.
Yeah, let's go and die in it. We have a razor blade.
Yeah, of course, always.
Of course, look at you.
Let's go. So we're in Drammen, the most shittiest town in Norway ever. All the guys are over here at this at the party, and me and yeah, totally easy. I can do that, no problem. Yeah, but so we don't have enough money to go into the party, me and Concept here, so we decided to find like a very cheap bar, what we call the brown bar in Norway.
Brown bar, yeah.
And since this is the most shittiest town in Norway, it has to have a few of them.
Shit is the smallest. Look at it. It's the fucking smallest town in all of Norway.
It's even smaller than Slemmestad, the capital of Norway.
Yeah, it's even smaller. It's very common that you use 110 centimeters syringe. You put it inside your back and then you go outside here.
Yeah.
And when it goes outside, you put it back inside your forearm.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you push. Anabolic steroids, and then you get oof.
Then you get high.
No, you're not getting high, you're getting fucking mental.
Huh?
You know, you eat SEAGULlS for breakfast. You know?
The thing about Slemmestad, the capital of Norway, is that it's always a little bit different than the rest of the world, or the rest of Norway anyway. A pink boat. Isn't that the mood?
Can we try to catch a seagull now?
Yeah, you can try to catch a seagull. This is very normal here.
Yeah, everyone in children's school.
Learn this.
Learn it.
Yeah.
It's all about survival, you know. We learn the sound to call on the seagulls so we can fucking demolish them.
Yeah, and what's that sound?
Yeah.
Ass brewery. Look, it says ass right there.
It says ass.
Ass.
It actually says ass.
You're good.
Of course.
So that's how it is. You meet fans everywhere you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fans of Anabolic Alex and me, Sean of Norway. So after a baked potato and a few too expensive beers, we're going back to the capital. Yeah.
Oh my god, I missed the capital.
Yeah, I missed
We're
it.
in this shitty small fucking town called Drammen.
Yeah,
you know?
yeah. We've been there for like, I don't know, 3 hours, and we already missed the capital like a lot. Drammen is the redhead of all towns in the world. It's got no soul. Have you ever wanted to see Donkey Boy before for free? You just saw Donkey Boy for free in Drammen. Back in the capital!
Yeah.
Fuck yeah!
Fucking capital, now I feel home, man. Now I fucking feel home.
Bitch! So it's just a completely normal day in the capital. Nothing wrong with this. This is every Monday. Yep, nothing weird about it.